Welcome to our video on the making of pencils in a factory. Dear friend, pencils are a ubiquitous tool that we take for granted in our daily lives. But have you ever wondered how these pencils are made in a factory? Join us on a fascinating journey through the manufacturing process. The first step in making a pencil is to gather the raw materials. The pencil's main components are graphite and clay. After gathering graphite and clay, the materials are mixed in appropriate amounts and prepared for the next step. In this step, the graphite and clay mixture is passed through a machine that extrudes it into a long, thin rod called a lead. Once the leads are ejected from the extruder and cooled, they are cut to the appropriate length. The lead is then affixed to a small metal holder, and an eraser is attached to the other end. After the pencils are painted in a variety of colors and designs, they are carefully inspected for any imperfections. Any pencils that do not meet these high standards are discarded and recycled. After the inspection process, the pencils are sharpened to a precise point using state-of-the-art machinery. This ensures that each pencil is perfectly sharpened and ready to use right out of the box. Once the pencils are sharpened, they are packaged and shipped to stores all over the world. With their vibrant colors and high-quality construction, these pencils are a favorite among artists, students, and writers alike. And that's how pencils are made in a factory. Who knew that something as simple as a pencil goes through such a fascinating process before it ends up in our hands? If you like this video, please give a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification bell for more interesting facts and information. Thank you for watching.